Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another ink installation video. Today we're installing the ink on the Canon TS5320. It's a very simple install, but if you're having some difficulty understanding, here's a quick visual and also a little bit of an explanation of what you need to do. Now I'm also going to be including some links in the description below, but look, you can take a look at what I'm pointing at there, the bottom of this printer ink cartridge. You're going to want to remove that orange tape that's covering it up, and you're going to want to place it into the print head carriage, which is there on the bottom part of the printer. It's the one that's labeled B, is going to line up with the one that's B on the cartridge, and also just make sure to line up the copper on the front of the cartridge with the one in the print head carriage. You're going to lay that down in there. Once it's in place, just like you see me doing there, you're then going to latch it back down, and you're going to repeat the same process with the color ink cartridge. Alright, that's really all there is for me to say about this install. The rest you can kind of see visually what you need to do. But again, I will mention the links in the description below, one being for this printer, but also for some printer ink. If you're running low on printer ink, then those links are going to be down there for you. Okay, I hope that this video ended up being helpful to you. If it was helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe. That's really all I have for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.